Hi, this is Charlie Roadman, Austin criminal defense attorney, and today I want to talk about the portable alcohol monitor in a criminal case. Now, this is a device that you blow into throughout the day to prove to the court that you're not drinking at all. And it is often required when someone is required to get an ignition interlock device in their car, but they don't have a car. Okay, and so what happens is the judge says, okay, you don't have a car? Well, you need to get the portable device. And while a portable device, it sounds easier, it's actually harder because you have to blow into it in these windows throughout the day. In Travis County, Texas, there are currently two options for a portable alcohol monitor. One is the Scram Remote Breath from Recovery Healthcare, and the second is Smart Mobile from Smart Start. Okay, so you basically rent these devices from one of those companies. Now, the testing windows they have are typically 5 a.m. to 7 a.m., noon to 2, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., and then 10 p.m. to midnight. Okay, which means you have to blow into each of those windows one time to prove that you're not drinking. Those windows can be modified with the permission of the judge. Sometimes we can get the judge down to 3 windows a day, and sometimes if you work late at night, we can adjust them slightly. But it's always going to be difficult because it's just throughout the day. Now, it also takes a picture of you to make sure you're not just handing it to a friend to blow. Now, you have to abstain completely from alcohol. There's no exceptions. You can't fool this system because it's testing. It'll detect it in the next window if you use any alcohol. And there's, of course, no exceptions for graduation, New Year's, birthday, nothing like that. This is 100% not drinking alcohol. The device itself operates on a cellular network, so it just uploads your picture and the results to the monitoring agency so they see how you're doing. Now, it can store data as well, so if you travel or go camping, it'll store the data for however long you're camping, and then when you come back into the city, it uploads and they'll know. Perfect compliance is crucial, especially because the prosecutors are going to see this when dealing with your case. Okay. The device itself can be required as a bond condition, a probation condition, a pretrial diversion program, or voluntary, meaning your defense attorney has said, hey, let's show them that you're not drinking at all, and you get this device, and then we get the records, and we show the prosecutors, and the prosecutors go, oh, okay, I can see for this period of time he's not drinking at all, and so that gives them a little more confidence that you have control over drinking. It's super important that if you get this device, you do not miss or skip any tests, because they treat skipped tests just like a violation, because they assume that if you skipped it, that you were trying to hide the fact that you were drinking. Okay, so you have to be perfect on this. It's a very difficult just to keep it coordinated so you don't miss a test. You don't accidentally leave the device at home or in your car or something. So you've got to be really careful. Some of my clients can do this, and other clients, their lives are so chaotic they can't keep these windows. Don't underestimate how difficult it can be. All right, I hope this helps.